Welcome to another TOEFL listening practice video. In this video, you will listen to a lecture, answer some questions about it, review the correct answers and explanations. Don't forget to subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that has become increasingly important in our digital age: the ethics of digital manipulation and deepfakes. As technology continues to advance, we are now able to manipulate digital media in ways that were previously unimaginable. One of the most striking developments in recent years is the rise of deepfake technology. Deepfakes use artificial intelligence to create hyper-realistic videos, images, or audio recordings that can make it appear as though someone said or did something they never actually did. Before we dive into the ethical considerations, let's first understand what deepfakes are. Deepfake technology uses artificial intelligence, specifically a type of machine learning called deep learning, to manipulate or generate visual or audio content that appears real but is entirely fabricated. For example, deepfake videos can make it look like a person is speaking words they never actually said, or images can be altered to depict someone in a scenario that didn't actually happen. While this technology can be used for harmless fun, such as creating digital art or entertainment, it has also raised significant ethical concerns, especially when used maliciously or deceptively. One of the major ethical concerns surrounding deepfakes is their impact on trust. In the digital age, much of the information we receive comes through media such as videos and audio recordings. These forms of media are often perceived as objective and trustworthy. However, when deepfake technology is used to manipulate content, it undermines this trust. If people can no longer be sure that what they see or hear is real, how do we maintain confidence in the media we consume? For example, imagine a deepfake video of a political leader making controversial statements. If people cannot distinguish between real footage and digitally altered content, it could lead to misinformation and misleading public opinion. The implications of this are particularly concerning when it comes to elections, where the spread of false information could sway voters based on fabricated content. Deepfakes have the potential to influence not just individual beliefs, but also collective societal views. The ease with which false narratives can be created and spread could significantly alter how we perceive reality and truth, leading to a decline in public trust in both media and public figures. Another significant ethical issue with deepfakes is the violation of personal privacy and consent. A deepfake video or image can be created without an individual's knowledge or permission, leading to a breach of their personal rights. For instance, deepfakes have been used in harmful ways to create false pornography or damaging videos that portray individuals in compromising situations. The ability to digitally manipulate someone's image or voice raises serious questions about consent and autonomy. If individuals can no longer control how their likeness is used or represented in digital media, it could lead to a rise in cyberbullying, defamation, and emotional distress. As we continue to rely more heavily on online interactions, our personal images and identities are becoming increasingly vulnerable to manipulation, and the ethical implications of this are profound. Perhaps one of the most concerning ethical implications of deepfakes is their potential for political manipulation and social harm. Deepfakes could be used to create fake videos of politicians, public figures, or activists, making statements or engaging in actions they never did. This could be used to discredit opponents, spread false information, or even incite violence or unrest. For example, during an election campaign, deepfake videos could be used to make it appear as though a candidate is endorsing violence, making racist remarks, or engaging in corruption. These kinds of false videos could easily go viral, reaching millions of people before anyone has a chance to verify their authenticity. This poses a significant threat to the integrity of democratic processes and public safety. Moreover, deepfakes could be used to target vulnerable groups, such as marginalized communities, creating false narratives that perpetuate harmful stereotypes and incite social division. The social and political harm caused by deepfakes can be far-reaching and long-lasting, further eroding social cohesion and trust in public institutions. Given the potential harm of deepfakes, it's crucial to consider the responsibility of tech companies and platforms in addressing this issue. These companies must take steps to identify and remove harmful deepfake content, but this raises its own set of ethical challenges.
One. What central issue does the lecture focus on? 2. Why does the speaker bring up political leaders when discussing deepfakes? 3. What is one major ethical concern related to deepfakes? 4. What does the speaker imply about the difficulty of regulating deepfakes? 5. Based on the lecture, what is a possible consequence of deepfakes targeting marginalized communities? 6. What can be inferred about the impact of deepfakes on society?